Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro ginigilong ki khubor bam da kasngi. Kamantri Sarkar Jila kabdeiru kanong yalam ka NPP kakong Emprin Lingdo kalaong baga jingiakren iasuk apdeng kilay liang mamla bakan thop ya ka Sarkar Jila Sarkar pdeng baga sengbean ka hinyo trap National Liberation Council HNLC kadibanya shakhmat. Kakong Emprin kalaong baka NPP ka sngo bat ay jingmut baka dibanya shakhmat ya ka jingiakren iasuk kalaong baka don le si ka jing sngo si baka jingtut ne ka jing sngo thu bakla na ka kinhun Henry ka Sarkar kan yakran khamba lorgani hadien balawan usembut menteri rangba uba pet yakatanat kampo ying uba prestun ten song shen namar ba udang don shabari.
I think very recently an official communication on this matter has already been indicated to certain media organizations. I believe there was a press release of some sort. This matter is to be handled by the Honourable Home Minister, who is also the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister of the state, who is at the moment indisposed and unable to attend to this important matter. However, having said that and put that in perspective, the NPP remains dedicated to advise its government to go ahead with this very crucial peace talk. We understand that there have been certain displeasures and misunderstanding which all yet have to be verified, and we will wait for the Honourable Home Minister to return to office very shortly, and he will surely be able to give you better insight. But I assure you that we as a party and we as a government are committed towards the progression of peace talks with this particular band outfit, and we would like to see that there should be an amicable understanding for long-term peace talks. I will not be able to disclose much on this matter because I am yet to be advised accordingly. However, at this point of time, this should be sufficient to explain the stand of the supporters of the NPP on the one side and the government of the MDA 2.0 in the leadership of our Honourable Chief Minister.